Ah! Oh, hey friends, it's Len here from 1A Auto. Today we're going to be working on our 2006 Toyota 4Runner, and I want to show you how to remove and reinstall your A-pillar grab handle, just in case it comes off. If you need any parts, check us out, 1aauto.com. Thanks. So one of the first things we're going to have to do is take out this cover and this cover right here. To do that, I'm just going to use a small pocket screwdriver, something very thin. Work my way in right here. Give it a little tug. Come along this way. There it is. So you got a little tab right there. You just need to make it so that pops up. And then this end, which is farthest down, comes out last. Underneath here, you can see that you have either a 10mm headed bolt, or you can use a Phillips head screwdriver. You do you, boo-boo. I'm gonna take this one out real quick. Boop. There it is. Let's take out these screws. Okay, that one's pretty much ready to come out. Just leave it where it is. Super long bolts. There they are. See about pulling these out of here. Cool. So now you can replace it. All right, so take your grab handle, new or old. Take your bolts. I'm just gonna start it through just by giving it a little push here. Should wanna slide in. Do the same to the other one. See if I can get it to go through. Awesome. And grab my Phillips head screwdriver. Start with the top bolt here. Do the same thing to the other one. Just make sure it's nice and snug here. Do the same thing for this one. Okay. Grab our little covers. You got your tab here. And the other little tabby thing there. You start with this one. Okay? Go right here. Press it in. Same thing. Got your little tab. And then this one's the press-in one. Start with the tab that has to go under. Press it in. Good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.